Whoosh! Into the wild world of feline chatter. Cats, those enigmatic creatures, speak a language all their own. Listen, that's not just a meow, it's a symphony of sound, a conversation waiting to be understood. A purr, a trill, a hiss, a chirp. Each sound is a unique note on the cat chat scale. Purring, that's contentment, a cat's way of saying all's good in my world. But a hiss? Watch out, that's feline for back off, buddy. And those strange chirping sounds when they spot a bird? That's the thrill of the hunt, the call of the wild, the cat's own Morse code. So next time your cat starts vocalizing, lean in, listen close. You might just be surprised at what they're trying to tell you. Welcome to the wild world of feline chatter.